Menteri Ulaya Turu baka sorkar kalashe mekarai ban pleno iki jaka jngoh kai pyrthei na do kashi tarik unailur. Hakabede bat kane Menteri Ulaya Tu bau nongwanjngoh kai pyrthei udai ban pyndep baroh tylli tika. Lada utau nongwanjngoh kai pyrthei ulayo tangkawe ketika udai ban Shillong baki dulir benat bat RT-PCR bu ulale hapokah nyopo arkanta bat ulalong balalai na uknyang jengpang.
To open the tourism sector from the 1st of September. The tourists, though, will have to come with double vaccination. So tourists who are fully vaccinated will be allowed to visit Meghalaya for tourism-related purposes from the 1st of September. Tourists who are not vaccinated or have only a single dose will have to produce a negative RT-PCR, TrueNat or CBNat report, which will be valid if they have been tested within 72 hours prior to their arrival at the entry point. The tourists will also have to generate an e-invite for entry to Meghalaya through the Meghalaya app of the Meghalaya Tourism Department. It is also mandatory that the tourists who come in should book at least one night stay, either hotel, homestay, or guest houses, and declaration of the complete itinerary should be there. Tourists who are staying as guests of any family or friend in Meghalaya shall declare the full address and contact details of the family or friend. At the same time, for local tourists from within the state, they will be allowed to visit any location in Meghalaya or tourism-related purposes if you are fully vaccinated or even single vaccinated. So within the state of Meghalaya, within the local tourists, vaccinated tourists will be allowed to visit, or locals will be allowed to visit different tourism locations. Local tourists who are not vaccinated will have to produce negative RT-PCR, TrueNat or CBNat report before checking into any hotel or to visit any tourist spot. So these were the few